Okay, so again we're given a little bit of information about this and we're required to find out the rule of the function. We can see this time that it has a horizontal translation but there's no vertical translation on this one, which is kind of nice. So the range here is said to be -2 to 2, which means there's going from 0 up to 2 and 0 down to -2. So right away you can say A equals 2. So that's always the easiest one to get from the first bit of information. So next we need to use the period. So we know the period is 6, and we know that 2 pi on n is the period. So that's equal to 6, and well, same process as before, multiply both sides by n. So 2 pi equals, oops, that's meant to be a 6n. Divide both sides by 6, so n equals 2 pi on 3. 2 pi on 6, which is just the same as pi on 3. Got a little bit ahead of myself there. Not sure what's happened there. Anyway, weird. So n is pi on 3, a is 2. Right, so after that we have a little bit of a difficult bit of working out to do, and I'm just going to go through that. So to start off with, I'm going to write down the rule. Okay, what I know of it so far: y equals 2 sine pi on 3t plus, is that epsilon or something? I don't know. Anyway, from there we know that when t equals 4, y equals 0. So using the point 4, 0, we get 0 equals 2 sine 4 pi on 3 plus that symbol, whatever it happens to be. We can divide both sides by 2, so we get 0 equals sine of 4 pi on 3 plus that symbol. And, okay. So now we need to ask ourselves, well, where does sine equal 0? That's when the angle, going back to the unit circle, that's when the angle is 0 or pi or 2 pi or 3 pi, it could be any of those. So what I'm going to say is that the angle 4 pi on 3 plus, I'm just going to assume that's epsilon, okay, is 0 or pi or 2 pi or so on. So we can take away 4 pi on 3 on both sides of the equation and get that symbol is, now 0 take away 4 pi on 3 is just -4 pi on 3. And well, we're going to get heaps of other solutions. The thing is that we only need one of them. We can have any of these horizontal translations and it will still work out totally fine. So I'm just going to take the easiest one, and that is the first one that I get, which is -4 pi on 3. So we've actually finished the question now, but again, like the last one, I'm going to write out the equation because otherwise there's no point in actually doing all this. So it is y equals 2 sine pi on 3 t minus 4 pi on 3. Okay, if you want to, you could go back and actually work through some of the other solutions there. So like, pi minus the 4 pi on 3 would be -pi on 3. And if you actually put that in here into the equation as well, like, it would still work out totally fine. So it would actually give you the exact same graph. Looking at it, you wouldn't be able to tell any difference. But yeah, anyway, that's about it. So that's quite a few exercises and examples that I've been through, but hopefully that's all making some kind of sense. But anyway, we'll leave it there for today. See you later.